Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Twisha. So today we'll do maths lesson number 8 comparing quantities exercise 8.2 question number 1 convert the given fractional numbers to percents. Number 1 is 1 upon 8. So if we have to convert a fraction into percentage, so we have to multiply that fraction with 100. So we'll multiply 1 upon 8 with 100. So we'll write 1 upon 8 multiply by 100. So 8 and 100 are getting cut. So we'll cut them with 4. 4 twos are and 4 25s are. So we will write 25 upon 2. Now we have to divide this 25 and 2. So we will divide it 25 and 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 bring down. Then 2 twos are is 4. 4 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Now here 1 is smaller than 2 and it doesn't come into table. So we will add 0 beside 1 and point also we have to add in our quotient. So whenever we add point we add 0. Now 2 fives are 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So 12.5% is our answer. So we multiplied 1 upon 8 with 100, then cut them out with 4. So we get 25 upon 2. So 25 upon 2 we divided. So we get 12.5 as our answer. Coming to the next sum, which is 5 upon 4. So here also we have to multiply 5 upon 4 with 100. So 5 upon 4 multiply by 100. Now here 4 and 100 gets cutted out. 4 ones are and 4 25s are. Now 5 and 25 are left. So we'll multiply them because they are side by side. We'll multiply them because they are side by side. And here 25 and 2 were up and down. So we divided it. Okay. If they are side by side, we multiply. And if they are up and down, then we divide. So here we have to multiply 5 and 25. So 5 multiplied by 25 is equal to 125%. Now the third sum is 3 upon 40. So here also we have to multiply this with 100. So 3 upon 40 multiply by 100. Now 0 0 gets cutted out. Then here we have to cut this 4 and 10. So 2 twos are and 2 fives are. Now here we get 3 multiply by 5 upon 2. Now we'll multiply this 3 and 5. We'll get 15. So 15 upon this 2. Now we'll divide 15 and 2. So 15 and 2. Now 2 sevens are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Now 1 is smaller than 2. So we'll add point and 0. Now 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So our answer is 7.5%. Coming to the fourth sum, which is 2 upon 7. So we have to multiply 2 upon 7 with 100. So we'll write 2 upon 7 multiply by 100. Now this cannot be cut. So we have to multiply 2 and 100. We have to multiply 2 and 100 and then divide that answer with 7. So we'll multiply 2 and 100. So 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. 200 upon that 7. So we will divide 207. So 200 divided by 7. So 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 0 down. 7 eights are 56. Minus, now 60 minus 56 is 4. So if we don't have to calculate it further, add point and all, so we can write it in mixed fraction also if its remainder is not coming 0, or if we don't want to write it in decimal. So 28 integer 4 upon 7. First we have to write quotient as integer, then 4 and then 7. Remainder and that. Okay. So 28 integer 4 upon 7 is our answer. Second question is, convert the given decimal fractions to percents. Number 1 is 0.65. तो हमें यहाँ पर डेसिमल दिया गया है, उसे हमें परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो उसके लिए हम उसे पहले फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद परसेंटेज में. तो उसके लिए फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो पहले हम न्यूमरेटर में क्या लिखेंगे, तो उसके लिए क्वेश्चन में से हम पॉइंट निकाल देंगे, तो बचेगा 65. तो हम वो 65 लिखेंगे न्यूमरेटर में, और डिनोमिनेटर में हमें क्या लिखना है, पॉइंट के बाद जितने भी डिजिट है उतने ज़ीरोज़ हमें 1 में ऐड करना है. जैसे कि इसमें 2 डिजिट है तो हमने 2 ज़ीरोज़ ऐड किए और आगे 1 लगा दिया. वैसे ही पॉइंट के बाद अगर 1 डिजिट होता तो हम 1 ज़ीरो ऐड करते. यहाँ पर 2 है इसलिए हमने 2 ज़ीरोज़ ऐड किए. अब हमें ये फ्रैक्शन में मिल चुका है, अब हम उसे परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो उसके लिए हम उसे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करेंगे, जैसे हमने पहले सम्स में किया था. अब 0 0 गेट्स कटेड आउट, बचा 65 अपॉन 1, और 65 अपॉन 1 मीन्स 65. सो आवर आंसर इज 65%. Now, number 2 is 2.1. अब हम इसे भी पहले फ्रैक्शन में करेंगे और उसके बाद परसेंटेज में करेंगे. अब इसमें भी हम पॉइंट निकाल देंगे तो बचेगा 21 अपॉन, अब पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है तो हम 1 ज़ीरो ऐड करेंगे. तो 1 में हमने 1 ज़ीरो ऐड किया तो बना 10. अब उसे हम मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 कर देंगे क्योंकि उसे हमें परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो 0 0 कट हो जाएगा और बचा 21 और 10. सो 21 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 210. अब हम अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 21 और 10 को तो हमें मिलेगा 210%. नाउ नंबर 3 इज 0.02. अब उसे हम पहले फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो उसके लिए हम उसमें से पॉइंट निकाल देंगे तो बचा 2 क्योंकि 0 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, और अपॉन 100 क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट है तो हमने 2 ज़ीरोज़ ऐड किए और उसे हम मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करेंगे. तो 0 0 गेट्स कटेड आउट, बचा 2. सो 2% इज अवर answer. Now number 4 is 12.35. तो अब हमें उसे पहले फ्रैक्शन में करना है तो उसके लिए हम पॉइंट निकाल देंगे तो बचेगा 1 2 3 एंड 5. सो 1235 अपॉन, अब पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट है तो हम 2 ज़ीरोज़ ऐड करेंगे 1 में तो होगा 100, और मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करेंगे ताकि हम उसे परसेंटेज में कर सकें. सो 0 0 गेट्स कटेड आउट, बचा 1235. So our answer is 1235%. Coming to the third question, which is estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. So number 1 is given here and there are 4 parts. Okay, So there are 4 parts. Now we have to write first in fraction. So first numerator, what we have to write, that how many part is colored, that will be our numerator. So one part is covered, so 1 is our numerator, and denominator would be 4. We have to count the total parts, that would be our denominator. Now to convert it into a percent, we have to multiply it with 100. So 1 upon 4 multiply by 100. 2 2s and 2 50s. Now 2 1s and 2 25s. So our answer is 25%. Therefore 25% of part is colored. Coming to the second question. Here we have to find colored parts first. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is our numerator, and now total parts we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is our denominator. Now this 3 upon 5 we have to multiply it with 100. Now 5 and 100 are getting cutted out. So we'll cut them. 5 ones and 5 20s. Now we'll multiply 3 and 20. So 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60%. Therefore 60% of part is colored. Now number 3 is this. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are total parts. So 8 is our denominator. Then we'll multiply 3 upon 8 with 100. So it gets cutted out with 2. So we'll cut out 2 4s and 2 50s. 2 4s and 2 50s. Then 2 2s and 2 25s. Here 3 25 and 2 are left. So we'll write them 3 multiplied by 25 upon 2. So we'll multiply 3 and 25 and then divide with 2. So 3 multiplied by 25 is equal to 75 upon 2. Now we will divide 75 and 2. So 75 and 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 down. 2 7s are 5 here. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Then 1 is smaller than 2, so we'll add point and 0. So 10 left. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So our answer is 37.5%. 37.5% is colored. With these, we complete question number 3. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for next part, in which we'll complete exercise 8.2. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.